Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 迟 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 迟 To hold, to support, to manage. For example, 支持 to support, 支持To stand by. My friends would be there for support if I needed them. 在我需要他们的时候，我的朋友会在那儿支持我。My friends would be there for support if I needed them. 在我需要他们的时候，需要他们的时候，我的朋友会在那儿支持我。在我需要他们的时候，我的朋友会在那儿支持我 support me. My friends would be there for support if I needed them. 在我需要他们的时候，我的朋友会在那儿支持我。迟 in cursive. To hold, to support, to manage. 支持 to support, to stand by. My friends would be there for support if I needed them. 在我需要他们的时候，我的朋友会在那儿支持我。迟 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 迟. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.